strange title, but packed with hits. Hi, I'm Sakina. DJ originally known as Diablo, but his career really taking off as Govana. Govy, as he's also known, dropping a monster album with a weird name.
Shut up a lot of daughters.
2019, a good year for Govana.
Fresh, breezy, and some mistakenly.
People say it's way more than just forward and get hot and just drop off, you know what I mean?
Happens a lot. One, sometimes two songs, and then history. But Govana not losing speed since 2017. The Big Dean DJ giving a lot of credit to his mentor, Idonia. And keeping things in perspective.
We never forward in and like, yo, yeah man, the biggest thing, man, the man. We just forward in and just do my work, just do my music, you know what I mean? And just let the people them decide what them like and what them not like and thing, you know what I mean? And make them decide, say, yeah, Govy is a stalwart right now in the game, is it?
So what was the highlight for you?
I think last year, what I say, I love the Songfest performance out of everything last year. You know what I mean? I think it was the first time I really feel proud within myself. You know what I mean? If you know the time when we are performing, and then when we go up on the stage, where people walk out, and then when them see me, then run forward back in, come all a dry. You know what I mean? I think that in itself signified a lot of things. You know what I mean? It signified the growth, and it signified that, as I said, the brand Govana has really built and cemented right now in dancehall.
And you would have felt particularly good being able to bring Idonia out on stage.
Yeah.
Because no kind of roles are reversed.
Yeah.
He spent a lot of time doing that with you, and it was your turn now, and it's a kind of tribute.
Yeah, that definitely, you know what I mean? That was really one of the high points of my performance also. I feel so proud, you know what I mean? If you see say him feel proud within himself, when he fall off of the stage, he just run up and down and I laugh. I said, Govy, Jah no star, yo, right? You know what I mean? So it was really and truly a joy, you know, if you know so I can repay him that. If all of the hard work him do, if you know so all of the hard work him do over the years never go in vain, and know so yeah man, the youth I mean bring him reach, you know.
Govana's messaging consistent. Credit again given to Idonia.
You know, many other conversation probably like 2016. I mean, that's a reason. I said, bro, you know, say, you always do all of the street song them and everybody knows you're from the street and thing. But remember me tell you, see, unless the ladies them accept you, nobody not gonna accept you. I say, yeah, man. It's the ladies, them are the most loyal fans. I say, the man them switch quick. As the final song, the artist thing, you are the man, you are this, me say, that, me say, but the ladies, and them love it, you know what I mean? Anyway, the ladies go do it, the man them are going to follow.
Man feel like a champ right now, smiling to the bank right now, yeah.
His top track, Champ, portraying another side of Govana, but still typical of his style.
I always try to stay relatable. I always want to know, say, yo, when somebody hear it, them can say, yo, sound like a media artist I talk about. Or a girl here, and she say, yo, Jano, this reach me, yo, yeah, man, I understand. So that's the thing I always try to incorporate in music that is relatable. You know what I mean? I sing about things that people can actually see. It's like I paint a picture.
Turn the key, make it truck start. Yeah, man, I saw your time gone shot since I loved her.
The big picture for Govana heading into 2020, his first album. His then 6-year-old son instrumental in its odd title.
One of my elder them I look up to, you know what I'm saying? I always like reason with him and things. So me drive a link him and I reason with him and I play some tracks off of the album. And when I'm done, I say, yo, all of them songs that sound different, like a different artist. I say, youth in a normal, you're a musical monster in a youth. So it's like when him say that now, I just did laugh and things. So when I drive forward back over now, my son said, Daddy, why did your friend just call you a monster? I'm saying, no, he's talking about music. I'm saying, yeah, but humans and monsters are not the same, Daddy. And it's like me release like probably like half it already. I release it like monthly, so I give each song space. We are doing it from Champ. Champ was the first song half it, and we're doing a Champ already. We do it with Cups Up also charted. Loyalty is also a big song, you know. The song with Taurus Riley named Anansa is a big song out in the Europe side, you know what I mean? Song with Dre Island, and then the last song we released, I think is Ole. The whole collection so far amassed over 20 million views. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's not the greatest, but that's great for our youth forwarding out with this debut project, you know what I mean? Without, as we say, without the big strings that pull behind it and thing, you know what I mean? We don't have no marketing team overseas and all them things. There's something on the ground that we had to, for my legacy, definitely, you know what I mean? As I say, we not do this for sales. Music now sell. we're fully aware that, you know, streaming and all of this and that, but music now sell. That's just the harsh reality. Outside of Jamaica and outside the diaspora, you know what I mean? Because some man get tricked by New York and Florida and London and Toronto and everything. That's still Jamaica, that, you know what I mean? Me tour Europe and them places, some places where people don't understand the music, understand the language, but them understand the melody and thing. And we know, so when we go over them side, them ask about singles, them ask about the body of work, you know what I mean? They ask about what single you have forward. Them say, when's the next album? You know what I mean? That is why the Chronics them and the Protege them can outdo Jamaican, the Jamaican dancehall fraternity. You know what I mean? That's why we have to big up you like Popcorn. I used to do it the right way, you know what I mean? You have a lot of other people that do it too, you know what I mean? When it comes to body of work and everything. What we need to do is keep the more, as I say, keep the balance between the commercial thing and the street thing, said because I'm a youth from the street, I'm street and I love street music more than anything else. So I can't just pretty up and go on like, yeah, I'm not the nice guy.
But come on, you're still street though. You've made it. You know, you have the jewel, you have the jewelry, and I mean the wallet is probably full. So I mean, you've stepped up in life. You're not street anymore.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we have the diamonds, we have the car, we have the house and thing. You know what I mean? But regardless of that, the street give me that, so I'm if not the street anymore.
Govana giving back to the street over Christmas, staging a cash giveaway knockout football competition in Spanish Town. Also contributing to a fundraiser for a youngster there whose home had burnt down. For the new year, Govana focusing his energies on new horizons.
I think the only thing I look forward to this year is performing in the States. That's the only thing that I look forward to this year. You know what I mean? Because I don't know, say, from a bus, I still not perform in the States. It's the only place that in the world I'm not perform. I separate from Asia and Africa. Govana is definitely in and out of the States when it comes on to visiting. Yes, so there's no problem with Govana.
But you want to be able to work.
Yeah, you know what I mean? I haven't worked in the States as yet, you know. So that's the only thing I look forward to this year. If you know, say, yeah, I can go ram up Amazon and ram up some parks in Florida and things. You know, it's more about pleasing the fans than even Monica, who come on house and care without traveling to the States. So it's not like some fret over it. Who want the chance and the opportunity, as I say, it's just in due time.
And you think it will happen in 2020?
Definitely. There's no doubt. You know what I mean? There's no doubt, you know what I mean? As I say, it's just that them things are out of hour and you know, and it's out of hour. We can't really do nothing and just wait for the relative authorities to do what they have to do and just make it happen.
But you're ready to go?
Ready right now, man. My suitcase packed.
Me know one day the table must turn, and the wicked must burn. Every got a youth a king on that me confirm. So no matter how the storm get through, man stand firm.
Yeah.
Psalms 37 are the first verse man learn. Cause them want see me lie down with maggot and worm. But I never walk alone.